waiting for the giraffe to come out. He's hiding inside. So let's just see, and the person taking care is getting ready for him to come out and to see outside. Okay, po muna tayo dito. Nakakapagod din mag-ikot, maglakad. So, waiting tayo dun sa giraffe to come out. Kasi inire-ready pa nila para lumabas. So, hintayin natin. So, upo-upo muna tayo dito. Kapagod na rin. Saka mainit din yung panahon. So, yan. Pero, malamig naman yung hulab. So, hintayin lang natin yung giraffe na lumabas. Ahay, gutom na ako, guys. Pero maya-maya pa hintayin namin yung giraffe na lumabas. Hindi pa rin lumalabas. Pag nakalabas na yan, napanood namin. So, gora-gora naman kami. Hanap kami ng pagkain. Nakakagutom. May baon akong pagkain dito, pero gusto ko yung ibang pagkain. Ganun, yung ibang pagkain. Okay, so hintayin lang natin na lumabas. Papanoorin natin yung giraffe. So, yung ibang mga animals nga hindi natin nakita. So, siguro sa ibang time na lang natin makikita yan. No? Babalik pa naman kami dito so many times. There are plenty of times to come back here. At marami din mga zoo na pwede natin puntahan. So, ang salamin ko bumababa. Dumudulas kasi pag pinapawisan ako kaya panantaas ko na gano'n, no? Ayan. So, hintayin lang natin. Nakakapagod din. Ang saya. Kumbaga is nakaka-enjoy yung mamasyal dito. Umikot, paikot-ikot, maraming mga animals. Are we going now? Okay, no come back here? Okay. So, medyo maya-maya pa yung labas ng kangaroo, giraffe. So, bibili muna kami ng may inom namin. Emu. This is emu. Emu. They call it emu. Yan. Emu. Diba kakaibang animal din to. No, diba? So let's go. Where we gonna get our drink? What's that one? Our kangaroo. I did not see that earlier.
No, we're going around different areas.
Oh, different area. Looks the same. Oh, there's a kangaroo there.
Come back through here again in a minute.
Okay, so let's go closer. Wombats. So where it is?
That's an anteater.
Koala.
And a echidna.
What do you call that?
That's an
Langospatcho.
anteater, echidna. Short-beaked echidna.
Oh, okay. Echidna.
Echidna.
Oh yeah, look, koala.
Koala's in the tree.
Yeah. Hello, koala. Ay. Okay, let's see. It's sleeping. Where is it? I don't see.
No.
Where?
Buckaroo.
The koala is there. Oh, it's sleeping. Ayan yung koala. Oh, natutulog siya. Hindi na pwedeng hawakan. Okay. Okay, ito yung kangaroo. Mas closer dito. Ayan. So, makikita nyo ang kangaroo. Yan, ganyan. So, mahaba ang paa nila. Maikli ang kamay nila. Kaya sila, pag gumagalaw sila, hopping. Mga ganun. Nag-hopping sila. Diba? Tumatalon-talon. Yung isa naman, ano ba yung isa na yun? Yung matangkad na ibon na yun. Emu pala siya, emu. Yan. Okay, so, siguro muna tayo doon. Oy, ano yun? Sumisigaw siya, nakita niya ako pero hindi ko siya makita. Ano yun? Okay. Walking pa rin tayo. Sarap dito, di ba? Ha, this way. Ayun, dun daw. Bili tayo ng drinks. Uhaw na mga batuta.
I think they're all waiting for their lunch.
Yeah. Yeah, they're hungry. Ah!
Here they are. They just swim as Hawaii.
Hi.
And that's a lot of them.
So this is a small clouded otter. 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 Ayan guys, so naglalangoy kanina, dumaan tayo dito, wala sila. So, ngayon nag-swimming naman sila, oh, ayan. So, otter, they call it otter. They must be hungry. Looking for food.
Yeah, well, I think they must be close to their feeding time because otherwise they wouldn't be out. They
Yeah.
weren't out before.
Yeah. Swimming, swimming. Ang galing.
Whoa!
Easier to see.
Hey, look at this.
Got more glass.
Why is everyone there?
Go and see.
Baba, there's a lot of otters.
Here.
They're waiting for food.
Oh,
Here.
Please,
Another
come on.
one. Yeah. Yeah, we go. Oh yeah. Don't worry. Alam niyo ba guys, yung apo ni Daddy Barry, palagi niya akong tinatawag. Says, come on. I don't want you to lose. Ayaw na niya ako mawala. Natakot siya na baka mawala ako kasi naiiwan ako lagi. Kasi nga, nagpo-vlog ako. Nagbibideo ako. So, madalas nalilate ako sa mga lakad-lakad namin. So, ano naman, naaabot ko naman sila ng tanaw. Kaya lang yung isa talaga, masyado siya nag-worry sa akin. Nag-aalala siya. Tapos, kinausap niya ako. Sabi niya, Liz, please, don't go away from us. I don't want you to lose. I'm scared. Natutuwa ako sa batang yan. Very thoughtful yung batang yan. Loves na loves ako niyan. At kahit sino mga apo ni Daddy Barry, talagang ano sila sa akin, mahal na mahal nila ako. Kaya nakakatuwa naman kasi, lalo na pag umaalis kami na ganito, ayaw nila na napapalayo ako. Kailangan lagi akong malapit sa kanila pag naglalakad ako. Okay guys, so dito na kami. So, bili lang kami ng ng makakain namin. Yes, katuloy ulit yung ating pasyal. Okay. Tada! We go in here. Yay! Tapos na kami mag-merienda. So, dito naman si kids playground. Yan. Duyan-duyan muna sila. So, dito, pag mamasyal ka, meron din para sa mga kids. O yan, pwede umakyat sa taas. Pwede silang tumakbo doon sa taas, takbo-takbo. Dito, may mga swing. Yan, may swing. So, dito naman, yung mga upuan din dito, pwedeng umupo dito. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung nandito. Ito, alam nyo ba yung ground? Yan, kita nyo ba yung ground? Ito yung mga mga kahoy na, parang giniling na kahoy, Basta mga ganun. Yun. Saan na to? Spider. Parang spider web siya. Pwede kang sumakay dito. Yan. Yeah. Yung mga palaruan para sa mga kids. At dito makita natin may mga kambing. Hi, goat. May ano din. Kambing nga. Goat. Ayan, may puting goat. Hey, goat. Hinihingal yung isa, naano siya sa init. Yan, ito mga kambing. Mee! Yan, mee. Ayan, ito yung isa, andito sa gilid. Yan, yan. Hello! 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 Ayan yung isa. Iba yung kambing nila, Mayroong may...
Hey, Billy.
Yeah, that's...
Billy goat. Billy goat
Yeah.
crab.
Really
They're
good.
sticking their heads out.
There's white one, there's a black, there's combination of brown and white. And this one is brown. The other one is like red. Yeah, red brown. Red. And this one here. Hi. Hello. Looks tired. Look at that though. They're breathing too fast.
No, it's just warm. That's how they
Yeah.
cool themselves down.
Yeah.
Reach out that quick.
for 2
Yeah.
days.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Give them all some.
You landed on it.
You gotta get closer to
Give me
them.
some food.
Yeah.
Dad, give me some food.
Yay.
Closer to them.
Dad, give me some
This
food.
one.
Dad, give me some food. I'm winning this.
Here, put your hand up.
Food. Grab another one. I'm sure they want one.
Go on, grab another.
Look at that. Hey.
Settle, bro. Dude, settle.
Okay, lakad na ulit tayo. So, saan naman ang punta natin? Bring it to the zoo.
That used to be the old entrance.
Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yan, ikot na ulit tayo. May karga na. Nakapag-merienda
No,
na.
it's all finished. Nothing there.
Well,
Come around this way.
ay, balik tayo. Dun pala sa kabilang yung daan.
I started to look at this over there. Well, this is their habitat.
Yeah.
Pojo.
Yan. Sa kabila tayo. Dadaan.
Fly in and fly out, you know, they're just ibises.
Okay. Yeah. Ba't ibang klase ng mga birds?
They're not supposed to be in there.
Wallabies
Wallabies,
yeah.
wallabies are in there somewhere.
Okay. They came from the wild.
Yeah, here you go. Put it in your bin.
So we're going back dun sa giraffe para makita natin yung giraffe. Kasi kanina dun tayo na nag-stop. Nag-ano muna tayo, merienda muna. So, babalik tayo ngayon dun sa giraffe para makita natin yung giraffe. Oh, it's here already? Ayan. Ayan ang giraffe.
I don't get how in Madagascar a freaking
Just
hippo
very
stays
tall.
a giraffe.
Yeah, well, that's
Yan. Yun yung
That's
giraffe.
humble.
Kumakain siya ng...
baby.
Is it baby?
Yeah, baby.
Oh! Baby pa pala yan, pero ang laki ang tangkad. Okay. Hindi pa tayo sa kabila. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito.
Mother.
Okay, this is the mother. Yan. Ang laki. Ang tangkad niya. Oh, yan na yung giraffe, guys. Look, guys. Oh, mga mamshis. Ang laki ng giraffe. Oh, yan oh. Ayan, kumakain siya ng pagkain. Ang tangkad niya, grabe, no? Tangkad-tangkad. Ayan na. Lalakad na siya. Sobrang tangkad niya, nakakatuwa. Di pa tayo sa kabila. Mas kita dun sa kabila. Ayan. Ang laki. Ayun, tangkad. It's very tall. Ayan, ayan.
Pretty tall, isn't she?
Yeah.
Big animal. Probably
Yeah,
cut
that's
tummy.
the tallest animal, yeah. That's the tallest animal in the world. Okay. Tapos na tayo mag-ikot. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa tayong pupuntahan na iba. Pero sit down muna tayo dito. Para maglakad. So, watch natin ng mabuti ang giraffe. Kumakain pa siya. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo yan. Yan, kumakain siya. Kasi eating time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that.
Getting hot and that.
Hi! Hello!
And the low one's a lolly.
Hi!
That's hot.
Kakaiba naman to. Ito, ano nito?
I'm getting a grab your camera.
It's a family cat.
Meerkat.
It's probably gonna
Oh.
grab
It's a
you.
meerkat.
Meerkat. Meerkat.
See how they stand on their hind legs? Look.
Yeah, Liz, don't
And
watch.
look. See how they
Yeah,
look?
yeah, yeah.
Liz, you might want to
Liz,
watch out.
standing.
He jumps and grabs the camera.
Yeah. Standing. She's not scared. Not scared. Look, he's not going away. I didn't want to grab camera.
No, they won't grab. Okay, let's go. Fish. Are we done? Now we've got to see the seals and the penguins.
Okay. Okay. That's good. I like that. We're going to see the penguins.
Very different than ours.
Yeah.
I remember telling you when I was a kid. Biggest seal ever was.
Hey! Ito tayo dun sa mga penguins. Puntahan natin.
Squirrel monkey.
Very small. Very small monkeys. Okay. Ayan, ito squirrel monkey. Hi! Squirrel monkey, yan. Eh! Squirrel monkey. Ayan, okay. So, let's go here. Ang laki ng zoo na to. Ikot-ikot tayo. And we're going to see the penguins. Ayan. Ang daming ibon. So, dito may mga birds na para dito lang talaga. Pero may mga birds din na wild. Ayan, nandun sa puno ng kahoy. Ayan, nandyan sila. Ayan, dito. Dumaan na tayo kanina dito. Dumaan tayo dyan. Ito naman yung isang punong tree na ang pagkalaki-laki. Ayan. Mahaba pa yung lakad natin. Ayan. Yan, dito. It's a beautiful garden here. Butterfly garden naman tayo. May madadaanan pala tayong butterfly garden. Okay. Here. Pa rin to. So, let's see. There's a cactus. May cat pa rin. Right, we're going down there.
Are they over here?
Ayan, ito. Makikita na natin yung Australian sea lion. Okay, dito na tayo. Let's go! So, marami tayo makikita dito. So where?
Favorite spot.
Okay, ito na yung sea lion. He's sleeping. Oh, look. It's so big. He's big. Ayan na. Ang laki niya. Kaya lang natutulog siya. What's in here? It's a meerkat again. Look at my meerkat. Digging the ground. The other one.
And he's trying to get building a new entrance into his house.
There's a
Yeah.
white one over here
Oh
somewhere. I
yeah.
remember.
Another one.
Oh yeah, there's two. That one's really size.
So I reckon
Where's
this one's
Stig?
a boy and the other one's a girl.
Stored. Sleeping.
Yeah.
Ay. Get up. Sea lion. Get up. Kung mga tulog sila, guys. Natutulog sila. Okay, baka pagbalik natin mamaya gising na sila. Ikot muna tayo dito. Puro mga tulog. Ang mga animals ay tulog. So, nag-ano din sila, no? Nagpapahinga din sila. Okay, it's all done. We're done. So, we're going out now. Ah, hindi pa pala. Meron pa pala. Marami pa pala kaming titingnan dito. Yan. This is Children's Zoo. Meh. 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 Ah, what's this?
Penguin.
Oh, penguin. Oh, I thought they cannot live in this warm weather.
Yeah, you're on the water.
They do. Oh
Got one down
yeah, this is the penguin. Where's the other one? Ayan, dito na kami sa mga penguins. Eto na siya. Yeah, they can. Hello. Ayan, mga penguins naman dito, guys. So, meron silang water din dito. Ayan, naglalangoy sila dyan. So, ngayon nasa, ano sila? Sa ibabaw. Wala sila sa water.
Hey?
He likes you!
Yeah, I know. What do you got for me, mate?
Ano siya, no? This is,
Turtle.
turtle, yeah? It's a big turtle. It's a turtle.
The turtle shit.
What is the turtle shit?
That's
Wait, what is
Michelangelo.
the turtle shit?
Michelangelo.
What is the turtle shit?
Ayan. Ang laki ng pagong dalawa. So, dito. Tingnan natin dito. Ay, this the one I like. Dito pa rin narinig. Oh! I can't whistle.
Oh my god! You broke my eardrums just then!
That is one. These are parrots, right?
When you weigh as much as an elephant, a dog.
Noisy. He's so noisy.
The hippo weighs much.
Whistling.
You had nothing.
Queen.
It's out of order anyway.
They have surgery
So
place.
that woman, I said, that woman, she said I wouldn't go in there. She went in there with 2 babies and came out with 1.
Ah.
The goat ate the other one.
Ah.
The goat ate it. Jasper
This is a
thought that
joke.
wasn't right. That was. You didn't think it was funny, did you, Jasper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The educational centre.
Oh, I think if there are many children coming in here, they have to go in there for
Yeah, they do.
Like,
They have seminars and all in here. with
20
the
minutes.
Seminars. And
Seminars?
Learn about the quokkas and. So that's the old George. He was here when I was here. See George the orangutan? He was very old when he died. Hey?
George